everybody, welcome to Library Highlights with Mary. Today is the 296th day of the year and there are only 69 days left. Unbelievable. Now to my announcements. In the children's department, on Tuesday, October 25th, there will be the Tween Book Club, and that starts at 4 o'clock and it's via Zoom. You'll need to register to get the link. And remember, Tween Book Club is every other Tuesday, and this Tuesday is that Tuesday. And the book they're going to be discussing is City of Ghosts. Then on October 29th, which is Saturday, there's going to be a Let's Draw Monsters, and that's going to be in the Rogers Public Library community room, and it'll be via Zoom. And if you want to do it from home, you can register and get the link. And this is for ages 6 through 12. That's what it's best for. Then on Monday, Halloween, the 31st, there's going to be a Halloween parade starting at 4. There's also going to be crafts, and this is for all ages. Now on to the teen department. On Tuesday, October 25th, there's going to be teen anime, and that's from 5 to 7 in the community room. And then on Thursday, the 27th, from 6 to 8 in the community room, there's going to be an escape room. That ought to be really fun, so come and try out your skills. Then on Monday, October 31st, is the DIY craft night, and they're going to do super spooky Halloween. So come see what that is. In the adult department, we have Wednesday, November 2nd, from 5:30 to 6:30, our next Achieve It. And it's going to be about affordable health care. So that's in the RPL community room, November 2nd. Be sure and register. And then the November Take It, Make It, it's going to be Little Pumpkins. So keep your eye out for Leslie's how-to video. And that will all be available the 1st of November. I don't want to forget to mention Top Chef Northwest Arkansas. And this is sponsored by the RPL Foundation. And all of the proceeds do come back to the library. You have to purchase a ticket, so be sure and go online and do that. We'll have a link in the description of this video. And it takes place at Metro Appliance and More at 801 Metro Place in Lowell. So be sure and look in the description of this video for that link and link to all the other things that I talked about today. Now we're going to go talk about dead authors. Welcome. I'm going to tell you about all the authors who died and kept publishing books. The first one is Michael Crichton. He died in 2008. Yet, in 2009, this came out. In 2011, this one came out. And in 2017, Dragon Teeth came out. Then there's Vince Flynn. He died in 2013, but his Mitch Rapp series continues. 2015, 2016, 2017, and beyond. Then we have Robert Ludlum. He died in 2001. And his 03, 05, and again in 03. Weird, huh? Then we have V.C. Andrews. She's really publishing a lot of books. I just have 2 of hers. She died in 1986. And all these were published between 2007 and 2009. And she keeps publishing them today. Then we have Tom Clancy. He died in 2013. He hasn't had a whole lot, but we've got 2015, 2021, 2020, and I think he still has some coming out today. And the last one I have to show you is Robert B. Parker. And he died in 2010. And he has the Cole and Hitch series. He has the Jesse Stone series and the Spencer series. And they're all having new books come out all the time. So if you want a haunting good time, be sure and come in and see all the books we have. Happy Halloween.